All, my name is Travani from 9th standard. Today we are going to present about our project. Then the main aim is to help handicapped people who are not able to walk and who are not able to speak. The emergency alerting system empowers individuals with mobility challenges by providing a simple user-friendly solution. When the user raises their hand, a connected system triggers a buzzer sound. The audible alert notifies caregivers or servants, promoting them to assist and fulfill the user's needs immediately. Then now my friend Krista will explain about components.
In this project, we are using these components. This is tilt sensor, detect the hand raising movement, initiate the alert system, and this is breadboard. Breadboard serve as the foundation for connecting all components during prototyping. And this is HW battery. HW battery powers the system efficiently and retainably. And this is jumper wires, ensures smooth connection between components. This is buzzer, produce a sound to alert system. Imagine this hand is handicapped. She is not able to talk. If we arrange it is to her hand, if the hand is moved, then it will make sound. That means she can take any kind of abilities easily by alerting their servants or family members. Easily we can say that it is alerting system. If we tilt her hand, it will make sound. That means it is alerting.
In this project, we conclude that the emergency alert system is a practical and meaningful solution designed to address the everyday challenges faced by handicapped and individuals. By utilizing simple and effective technology, this system will ensure that users' needs are met, promote independence and dignity in their lives. Thank you.